Try this question, take 10 second time and try to solve it. Try to solve it. Take 10 second time and try to solve it. Okay, let us see. It is telling that coil resistance is given. Okay, induced current developed by the flux through it. Okay, induced flux changing through it. Okay, we know that one thing. E is equal to, by Faraday's law, it is minus n d phi by dt, that we know, n d phi by dt. And also in terms of resistance, we can say it is equal to I into R, Ohm's law. So we can say that what is I? It is equal to 1 by R into n is 1. Then we can write like this, d phi by dt. Taking mod here, we will get d phi by dt 1 by R. Okay, see here. Now we can say like this. See here, we can write like this. I d phi is equal to how much? D phi is equal to I into R, okay, and dt. So why we sent here? We should not send it here, na? Okay, I just increased one more step. So I would not have did like this. In spite of extending it once more, I should do like this. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. We should do like this. D phi is equal to how much? D phi should be equal to I, R, and dt. Taking mod of this. Okay. What we can do? We can say that it is, we can say like this, I dt into R. That means area under IT curve, area under IT curve, into R resistance. So area under IT curve, take area under IT curve. What we will get? We will get like this. What? See here, area under this IT curve. Okay, area is not given now. So let us see some values. I think it is a value, suppose 4. We can add like this, half into base is 0.1 into height is 4. This is the area under the IT curve. We got here IDT into value resistance of values are 10. Solve all those values, you will get your answer. Got it or have any problem till here? Solve it. I think answer will be 2 only. Got it or have any problem till now? Any problem? Okay, I think you got it, na?